So a lot of our docents really consider volunteering at the Gamble House to be their retirement job. This is really a social outlet for them, an intellectual outlet for them, and a place where they come for community.
We're stretched to think in other directions and to learn. If you look at our docents and our age group, to be part of something is important in life.
When we talk about staff, there's got to be a way to support that staff because that human capital is so important going forward. You can't waste that by laying people off. Sometimes you don't have a choice, but we really were lucky to be able to maintain our staff and know that that would be our strength in the future, with that having gone through this, and also knowing that we didn't have to retrain people and that we were able to support the people that we had. That was really an important part of keeping the whole institution together.